I'm a big YouTuber.
Hello. What's going on? What's good? What is really good? Hello, one and all. We got a fire show tonight. We got my boy DJ Lefave in the building, interactive streaming, the future of interactive live stream. We're going to get into the nitty gritty. What's going on? We got first in the box. We got shout out to Trent. We got first in the box was actually Ricky. What's going on, Ricky? First in the box, Ricky. What's going on? What's good? Second in the box is Trent. Third, we got all things drone in the box. What's going on? What's good? How you guys doing tonight? I'm glad to have you. I'm glad for you to be here. We got a nice one. Absolutely, Trent. We got DJ Lefave here. He got his OBS set up. We're going to get really into it. We're going to talk. He's going to show me all the nice little tricks and the do-hags and the gadgets. And my boy CoVa is live again. Yes, indeed. But as you know, while we're doing it, we're in the intro. So let's go.
I'm a big YouTuber.
Oh, man. Yes, indeed. This year we're going to bring both ears down. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let me get into it. We got my boy DJ Lefave live on the screen. DJ Lefave, you are live. What's going on? What's good?
Yo, I'm on the screen.
You on the screen. You made it, man. You made it.
I made it.
You made it to the Summer Jam. We got you on the Summer Jam screen, DJ Lefave.
Summer Jam. What's up, everybody?
Ladies and gentlemen, we got DJ Lefave on the channel. Finally, we got my brother here on the stream with us. We are going to get into it. Interactive live streaming is the future of live streaming on YouTube, on Twitch, in general, in the world. But before we even get into that, I want you guys to know more about who this guy is. So DJ Lefave, are you really a DJ, first of all? Because a lot of people use DJ and they're not really DJing.
Am I really a DJ? If I wasn't a DJ, could I do this?
So
could I do that?
He got the DJ. He got the horn. That's the prerequisite. So
yeah. So let me tell you all my story, because I don't ever tell my story. You want to hear my story?
I want to hear the story. The people want to hear your story.
The people want to hear. So I started DJing actually 3 years ago. 3 years ago. Music's always been a passion of mine. I love music to death. You know, it was one of the things I wanted to do when I was younger, and I never did it. And life got in the way. Everybody, you know, you guys all feel me out there in the chat. You feel me.
Life be lifing.
It is. And Christmas, I guess it was 2018 maybe, my wife got me this small Newmark DJ to go to. And I'm like, oh, this thing's awesome. So I started playing around with that. I caught the bug. And I said, dude, a couple things happened. I found some money, and I ended up going out to Guitar Center, and I bought myself a mixer. And I said,
which
all right,
mixer did you get?
I got a Pioneer DDJ SZ used at Guitar Center with a 2-year warranty. And so I rented some speakers, and I started promoting myself, and I learned how to become a DJ through YouTube and trial and error. And I was very successful that first year, and it was amazing. I love it.
He's not Deadmau. A guy actually, are you the famous DJ that wears the Mickey Mouse head costume? No, he's not Deadmau.
No, that That guy's skinny.
That guy's
Yeah,
exceptionally skinny. Dead Miles
yeah.
exceptionally skinny. Yes.
I'm dead sewer rat. Okay, let's get
You
that. All
said
right.
dead sewer rat. Okay. You got it.
But no, the story gets better and better as time goes on. So I the first year was a great success. I live in New Jersey, hence the the logos and whatever. And so the next year was going to be freaking outstanding. I had so many gigs lined up. I had I started feeling good with the whole process and everything. And I don't know if you heard about this this thing. It's called the pandemic, the COVID. Have you heard of that?
The pandemic?
The
Really?
pandemic.
Really?
The
Okay.
pandemic. Yeah. So that hit, and I'm like, oh my gosh, what's happening here? That's when I became virtual DJ Lefave. That's when I started learning how to do all these things over the interwebs. My first YouTube video that cracked 1,000 views was teaching DJs how to stream over Zoom. And that video actually ended up leading me to a job that I've had for the past almost 2 years now, which has me now doing weekly gigs with like the Los Angeles Lakers and the Walt Disney Company and a great organization called Game Changer.
So the weekly gigs with the Lakers, is it like a team meeting or anything like that?
No, it's organizational. So I partnered with a group who ended up through somebody saw my YouTube video about DJing through Zoom, and it ended up getting me to work with this one group called Game Changer. And Game Changer, they bring local community and community residents and law enforcement together, talk about problems, come up with solutions. Well, they're based out in Los Angeles, and they're based in professional sports. So we ended up working with, he ended up getting some different types of events with the Lakers where, as a organization, the Laker family, right, they come together and they'll like watch a series on Netflix that talks about struggles or society problems. And we have people on there like Jeannie Buss. I've been on Zoom calls with Jeannie Buss and Mark what was it, Rambis, right? The
Kurt
Superman.
Rambis.
Kurt Rambis. Sorry, Mark Rambis, whoever you are. But yeah, no, and
I'm a big YouTuber.
big YouTuber.
I know I gotta hit you with it.
Yeah. So we've had, it's very, you get to really feel their organization and their people, and it's amazing. Like we've had just some really great conversations, and it's been fantastic. They even sent me a huge swag bag full of Lakers gear. So I'm
really?
strolling around New Jersey with all my Lakers stuff. Oh yeah, dude, it was nice. Shout out to Keisha Nix if you're watching. She's the vice president of community operations now, and first black female vice president in the NBA. She's fantastic.
Oh really?
Oh yeah. It's such a great organization. But I digress. That led me down the YouTube path. When the pandemic hit, I started going to every single social media platform, right? Just seeing what would stick. What did I want to do? And it turns out that people who don't know you don't want to see you spinning music, right? It's not really, it hasn't attracted as huge of an audience. But more than somebody who can just push buttons on a DJ mixer, I'm an entertainer at heart. I love people. I love being in the heart of it. And that is what led me to this whole, what you see here. This entire, anybody who's been on my my live stream on YouTube,
and link
RFK,
down below to subscribe to DJ Lefave. I know Ricky subscribed. You guys should definitely check out DJ Lefave.
Well, how many people we got? We got a few people watching right now. I got something fun. I've got something fun. CoVa don't know about this yet. He don't know about this. Can I jump into something fun yet? You got a follow-up question, brah?
Yeah, we got I'll put you on the big screen. You're good to go.
I'm good to go? I'm good to go? All right. So that all led me down the path. And when CoVa said I got an interactive stream right now, right, I have been searching for over a year on how to bring something like Twitch's channel points over to YouTube, to have that interactive entertainment where you guys type something in the chat, something happens on stream, and it's funny because a lot of times I'm looking to solve problems and I go to Google and I start typing stuff, and the solutions that come out, it's shit that I posted, right?
Now, DJ, before you go any further, can you just break down, because a lot of people that's probably following me don't watch Twitch, can you kind of just explain what channel points are on Twitch?
All right, so in channel points, the longer you watch a program on Twitch, you accrue channel points. Now, you have to be a Twitch affiliate or partner for this to happen. And there are ways to integrate certain applications that you can cash in those points, and they can trigger something inside of like OBS, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you guys were to trigger Minions, and then you'll hear something like this.
Let's take it with me.
So like that would be just a chat command or something that you would do. You would click a button and it would automatically happen on screen. And I figured it out. I cracked the code about 2 weeks ago. I worked with the developer who does a plugin for Touch Portal. You guys are going to hear me say Touch Portal a lot tonight. You're going to hear me say it a lot. I don't own stock in the company. I'm just so enthralled with what it can do.
And what is Touch Portal?
And Touch Portal it's like a Stream Deck. You guys know what a Stream Deck is?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, of course you know what a Stream Deck is. And, oh, golly gee whiz. Golly gee whiz, why is that all set up like that? We got the wrong camera on, folks. The wrong camera. It happens. OBS be OBSing, man.
Absolutely. It definitely does.
There we go. Primary monitor. There we go. All right, so right here, this is what you see on my screen. I'll zoom it in for you. This is Touch Portal. It ends up being a program that you could configure a whole bunch of buttons, and then you can use it from your phone or a tablet, push those buttons, and things happen. But you can also set up things like events, and events are things that if certain criteria are met, then an action will trigger. It's really an amazing piece of software. The Pro version costs $12.99. And if you plan on getting into this business and you don't want to drop some money, like I won't ever tell you to buy a $400 mic. I won't tell you to do that. But $12.99 for Touch Portal, it'll be the wisest investment you ever make if you want to have interactive streams. And why are interactive streams important? The chat is here because this is live entertainment. You
Yes.
guys are viewing this because you don't know what's going to happen next. You have a feel for the characters. You understand the basis of the show, but you don't know what's going to happen next. More so, if you or your compatriots in the chat have the ability to do stuff and make it even more interactive, well, then now you've just created a way to keep people there even longer, right? And that's why it's amazing for creators to have this capability. So, I'm hoping this works. I'm
hoping too.
I tried this out. I don't know what the time delay is on this or not, but check this out. Anybody who's on a computer or you have YouTube, the YouTube Prime service, I don't want you leaving the stream, but check it out. There is a link now in there. There is a Google form. If you want to blind this stream with lasers, I'm going to keep my hands up. I am not doing a darn thing. All you got to do is click on that link, select the radio button that you want to blind the stream, and click submit. And through the power of some OBS ingenuity, you did it! Oh, God! It's so bright!
So to show you guys this link on my side of the screen,
what
what he's saying is when you go here, I'm just going to minimize this as much as I can so I can show.
Who clicked it?
I did.
Let the chat click it, man.
The chat can click it too, right? What I did. So when you drop this link, right? When you drop this link, I'm gonna do my best to show you on the screen with the link. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna do this. Okay.
Oh gosh, that was bright.
Now I gotta bring you to the big screen. Anyway, so when you click this link, it brings up this form, right? And now that's my email. So then when you click yes, get your shades, you click submit, and
now it's this one. I don't want to say it's a little hokey, but the way that I got this working is it saves the responses into a Google Sheet.
Uh-huh.
And I have this set up where I have Google Drive installed locally on my computer, connected to my Google Drive. And then I have Touch Portal set up so that whenever that file changes, then do this action. So when you guys submit that, you are submitting an action. That's what's happening with there right there. That's what's happening.
Let's see. It only worked one time. Let me do it again.
Oh! Yeah, dude. Woo! Woo! Oh boy.
That's
Oh.
that is some interesting shit right there. I have to say. Now, let me get you. No, let me.
I'm saying though, right?
Yeah.
Like,
I mean, that is.
I'm letting your chat control my own.
with lasers.
Oh! It hurts my eyes. It
Yeah, I
hurts
don't know.
my eyes.
I've been telling DJ Lefave to get on this shade game, but he likes to get blinded. So let him be great. You know, I'm gonna let him be great. You know, not everybody can do the shades every stream like me. You know what I'm saying?
I'm a big YouTuber.
There's a science behind that.
Boy.
Now, you've said that this is the first time it's being brought to YouTube. Now, how
Yes,
does
sir.
this change the game as far as like interactive live streaming goes on YouTube? Like, how does this change the game?
Well,
Destroy them with lasers.
Yes,
keep it coming.
yes.
That's your answer. That is how it changes. How fun is it for you guys in the chat to be a part of the stream?
To actually
This
be
is-
part of the stream.
Yeah, you guys are making changes right now. And before this show is over, we're going to set up some loyalty points for CoVa. We're
Oh,
going to set them up. Yes, sir.
oh, you hit me with a surprise.
We are going to set them up. Well, you're physically going to set them up, but I'm going to help you along the way.
I was not expecting that.
But this is what the game changer. The game changer for YouTube. YouTube was missing this feature. This is something
Now,
that a lot of people.
is this really the only? Because when people talk about the difference between streaming and Twitch and YouTube, I remember touch points. We got interactive DNA in the building. We also had my Twidget messed up too. My Twidget is down for whatever reason. Now it's not showing up.
It's all good.
Yeah, Twidget. Okay, Twidget. We got Twidget fucking up. So anyway,
Twidget gonna twitch it.
yeah, Twitch is going to it. I don't know what they're doing right now. But, I know they've mentioned channel points. That's one of the biggest things when it comes is like the channel points. Then there's the emoji, and then it's like somewhat of the discoverability. But is channel points really the game changer on live streaming between YouTube and Twitch?
Well, look, there's this thing called the algorithm.
Yeah.
The thing that nobody really knows how it works. But you could guess
And you
that
would swear, there's so many people who would swear to you that they know how it works. And
Yeah.
you can find content on YouTube that will prove that they don't know everything about the
yeah,
algorithm.
you know what they are? They're a bunch of clowns. That's what they are.
Shots fired!
ahead, Lefave.
We both got sound effects.
Listen, man, listen. If you like to hear sound effects, all right. Now I didn't turn the music off, but if you like to hear sound effects, you got me and you got DJ Lefave. We got it. We got you good to go. And of course,
Yeah, boy.
and of course, if you're watching this on the TV, you can definitely hit that cog and switch it to 4K to get the best viewing quality possible that I can provide to you. Go ahead, DJ Lefave. You got it.
Yeah, so the reason why this is important, why it's a game changer for YouTube, this also works for Facebook, and it also works for Twitch if you are not an affiliate yet. The reason why this
That's
is a
big
game
because a
changer-
lot of stuff is held back if you're not an affiliate on Twitch.
Exactly. And
Destroy them with lasers.
Yes! Woo! And I could turn that off at any point tonight, but I don't know that I will. I might change it to something different, but I'm actually going to show you guys how I did that, and I'm going to do a different effect. So I'll go from start to finish on how to do that. The reason why this is so important is imagine if you were having to fire that off using chat commands. You guys all right now are clicking on a link and you're pushing a button, you're clicking submit, and you're making this happen outside of YouTube.
And it's a pinned
Now-
comment in the chat room too. So if you want to destroy the stream with lasers, go ahead and click the pinned comment.
Click it, pin it, go. And here's the deal. Every time you fire off a command, that's a chat. Every time you do something, that's a chat. We have done this laser thing about, I don't know, 6-7 times already.
Mm-hmm.
If you count up the amount of chats right now in this stream, which has been going for, I don't know, 26 minutes, six chats would be a good percentage of the amount of chats that are coming in. Chats show that you have an actively engaged audience
Yes.
with your stream.
Mm-hmm.
Now, loyalty points help you down that road as well, because if you were just a passive watcher on my channel, for instance, you get 10 points every 5 minutes. If you are an active watcher and you are doing typing and all that, then you get 20 points every 5 minutes. DNA said, did YouTube make easy
Yeah.
to
I was about
activate
to
channel
highlight
points?
that. I was about to highlight that chat, but you got it.
Nay, you got to go and check out my YouTube page. And I recently did a recorded video, and I broke the code. I commissioned a developer to help me wrap in the Streamlabs Loyalty Points API, because you need some sort of system that is tracking when people come onto the stream and for how long they are there. And then you need a way to be able to trigger events off of that. Streamlabs already had that. They already had that. So we just put it all together, man. We put it all together.
Now, which video? Which video?
Pew, pew, pew.
Which video are you talking about? Your 20-minute video? Or are you talking about your hour and 40-minute stream?
No. I'm gonna go. I'll show you the video.
There we go.
Because, you know, I got a screen like that, mange. Let me just go over to the YouTube's page, and
Yep, I got you on the big screen. I got you on the big screen. Go ahead.
Okay. Well, we'll zoom on in here, and I will show you right here. This is the 14 minute and 50 seconds. Pardon me if this makes noise. Hold on. Let me. Oh, it's already muted. Great. I'm going to copy and paste this in here. This shows you what you got to do to get loyalty points for your live streams. Walk it through. I was so excited. It really.
Destroy them with lasers.
Oh Lord, I should have brought some shades to this. I should have brought
man,
some shades.
listen.
Get out of here.
I'm telling you.
Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Gotta get
Get
your
outta
shade.
here.
Okay, we gotta get your shade going.
Gotta get some shades, man. Gotta get some shades. So
We
that
got
video
Chanel.
walks-
What's going on, Chanel?
Chanel. You know what? That is what I'm missing, and I'm assuming Chanel is of the female persuasion.
No, that's a guy. Chanel is the
it?
name of his Chanel. That's the name of his little dog.
Okay.
That's the name of his
My
little
bad.
dog. Yeah,
My
he
bad.
got a little. I think it's like a Chihuahua. He got a little
Well,
Chihuahua named Chanel.
Maybe he and you can all commiserate with me. Like 1% of my viewership, less than 1%, is females, and they got to get up on this. They got to, because this is amazing stuff. Amazing
So here's
stuff.
the thing. So my percentage of female viewership has actually gotten lower. It's like less than maybe 20%. It's like less than 20%. If I can pull up my YouTube right now, I'm gonna pull up my YouTube on a separate screen.
Pull it on up.
And I'm going to just look that up because it's actually gotten lower. And the thing is this, right? It just really depends on your content sometimes, right? So we're gonna go to reach, we're gonna go to audience. Let's go down. All right. So age and gender. In the last 28 days, it's been 100% male. Okay. So let's do. All right. So what
Yo,
was your number?
Hold
Okay,
on.
go.
Hold on, real quick. I want to answer Interactive DNA here right now. This is not just about being able to activate something via text in the chat. This is about rewarding viewers for time spent watching your live stream. YouTube is not keeping track of how long viewers are watching.
Mm-hmm.
That is where the Streamlabs Loyalty Points database comes in. They have a database set up that is interacting with the YouTube API, but it is storing how long people are watching, and then it is deducting or adding points based on if you're going to cash in a loyalty reward, or if you're just going to accrue them to save up for, something big, like, say you want to kill the live stream.
Lefave? Oh, okay, you're there. All right.
That's another one of my rewards, right? It costs a lot to do because it's a big production. It shuts down the stream for, quite a bit of time. But YouTube is not offering that feature. Twitch offers it internally, but YouTube doesn't offer that. So we had to come up with a different solution to make that happen. And you guys right now are watching the guy who did it.
Man. So I want to come back real quick because this is actually a pretty important. I think this could tie into interactive streaming. So, what was your number for female viewership?
Low. It was like worse than my high school numbers.
Hey, listen.
We go to my channel analytics. My audience over. What do we want to do? The last 28 days, or
Let's do last 365. Let's do last
365.
Yeah.
All right. Last 365. Okay. Last 365 days. 4.7% female. So
hey.
I had 4.6% of 213,000 views. So that's a low number.
My number is actually 2.1%.
You're even lower.
My channel is 97.9% male audience.
I got a lot of teachers on one of my videos. I ended up teaching people how to play Connect 4 on PowerPoint over Zoom. So I created a animated PowerPoint Connect 4 game, and then I published it. So I had a lot of teachers coming to that one. A lot of them were female. I bet that's where a large part of my number of female viewers came in.
Do you think setting up interactive live streaming on YouTube could be a way to increase your female audience?
I think that it's going to be a way to increase my overall audience. It is niche because what I teach is how to primarily use OBS and DJ software, and 98% of the people who do live streaming are male. If you look at the top streamers on Twitch, for instance, the top 100, there's only like 2 females on that list. So it's proportionally bent towards a male audience, I believe.
Let's go ahead and look that up right now. So if we look at the top 100 Twitch streamers on, I need a better list because these people got some crazy ass names. I don't even know who these people are. I'm sorry. So okay, there we go. So we got blah, blah, blah. Let's see, where do we get, Pokimane is number 6.
Yep.
We got, this is old.
Amaroth.
Yeah, this is old because it got Tim up there. So we got to go to 2021. Let's go. Oh my God, this information is so hard to find.
It is, and you got to know the names, but overall, let's say you go through the first 30.
There we go.
and
Okay,
you'll
there we
find
go. So we got Shroud, Pokimane, Amaranth. These other names don't look like female names. That was 20. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty low.
I just got fact checked, yo.
Okay, I got a better list now. We got Twitch metrics. Okay, we got Twitch metrics. We got Pokimane at 9. Nothing but dudes. Oh man, yeah. Pokimane 9. I mean, Amaranth not even in the top 10. It looks like. That's funny. She makes millions a month. Yeah. So there we go. We got airy gameplays. So it's not a lot. All right. So in general, it's not a lot of top female streamers on Twitch. Streaming is a male kind of content format, and that's not because of any type of like misogyny or sexism. It's just something that appeals to males more
Well,
than
yeah,
it does to females at this current time.
it has a birth in gaming, right? So gaming is again another primarily male dominated
Yeah,
thing. It's just something that more males do than females. Not to say that there aren't amazing
yeah,
female
yeah, yeah,
gamers
yeah.
out there, and there's great female streamers out there. If any of you ever watched a Ludwig stream, he starts off every stream with "boys." He says "boys" because he knows he's talking to his audience. His audience is he's calling it. He always calls it for what it is. But this again, the ease of use and the freeness of doing channel points. Everything you see on my stream right now is OBS, essentially. I have my virtual DJ shader, but you can do them for free too. It's just a media source.
Quick question:
Everything is free. Yeah.
Can this process be replicated on Ecamm?
Can Ecamm? Let's see. I don't know if Ecamm is accessible inside of Touch Portal.
Oh, okay.
That's the trigger. So I
Okay.
don't see anything. Let me go look in the Discord here to see if there's anything in the Discord for Ecamm.
Well,
Is
we
that
can get
two
to that.
ends?
It was just a quick question. If you don't know, we can keep it moving because
As long as do you use OBS for Ecamm or Ecamm is something different?
Ecamm is OBS is like a OBS software, but it's primarily for Mac, but can also be used on PC.
Oh. Yeah, no, I mean there's Ecamm Live has a plugin. So yeah, there's a plugin for Torch Portal for Ecamm Live.
There we go.
The basis of this and let's go to what am I gonna go to? I'm gonna go to full screen mode here. So the basis for all of this magic happening on inside of Touch Portal, it works based off of, and you want to get into this now? I mean, I'm your guest, man.
Okay, we here.
We're here. Chat, let me hear you. If you guys want to see how this kind of all works, and if you want, we can actually set up a different interaction on this live stream for me right now, and then we'll go and I'm gonna walk CoVa through setting up his first channel point. You got Touch Portal, man?
I have Touch Portal. I haven't really connected it to my OBS 100%. I have like a lot of the UIs and stuff set up, but I haven't connected it to my OBS. So I'm not 100% prepared for this right now.
you need to go make that happen, son.
Yeah, I need
make
to
that
go
happen.
Yeah, I haven't 100% set it up. So we're just going to let you do your thing right now.
Okay, you make me do my thing. All right. So I will show you guys.
Oh, you going to leave it over there? Okay, I'm going to be over here with you.
Yeah, I'll go over here. That's fine. It's fine. There's room for everybody. Let me take this top screen out. There we go. The way that I do my setup is everything is an individual component. So everything can move around. You know, if we want to move, me around like this, we can do that. I actually set this up. You may enjoy this. This is my latest loyalty point thing that I'm working on. You ready?
Yeah.
It's called the Lefave Shuffle. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Now kick, now kick, now kick, now kick. Now walk it by yourself. Walk it by yourself.
Oh, yeah. I saw that on your last stream. I was like, wait a minute, what the hell go? Oh, wait a minute. Are you able to show the custom chat animation for the super chat that on your OBS now that you have for me during your live streams? Are you capable? Okay, so guys, if you're like, definitely anybody that I have on my channel that has memberships available, I'd say definitely support them on the membership side. I wouldn't promote anybody if it wasn't worth your time. Like, Real Brother 32 and DJ Lefave. Definitely support them on the membership. The perks are actually legit, worthwhile perks. Now, with DJ Lefave, if you become a member, right, it's just as 99 cents, so it's not even expensive. When you become a member and then you super chat in his stream, you get a custom animation. He takes his time and he makes this animation for you because you're a member. So that's amazing.
Yes.
So DJ, do you have my membership animation ready to play? Do you have?
So I have yours ready to play. Before I play it,
Go ahead.
if RFK is in the chat still, let me know and I'll play his next because he missed the last live stream and I want him to get.
What's going on, Elliot
his
family
due.
of 7? Welcome to the stream.
All right. So this is only when CoVa sends a super chat on my channel.
Only when CoVa.
Only when he
Only.
does. Only. This is his super chat.
Destroy them with lasers.
It starts with this. It starts with this. It starts with that. Then this.
Yeah, check this out.
For the majority of the time, this is what I do. I do tech-related content.
You do.
But like I told DJ Lefave,
All the time.
All the
it's
time.
tech edutainment.
Yes,
It is
indeed.
edutainment.
I do my best.
My
He
very
does.
best.
I do my very best to entertain, and
Absolutely.
inform, and educate in my own special way. And I'm just getting better at it.
Yes, indeed. Wait, here we go. Take the sip.
Stop the show.
Stop the show.
Stop the show.
Stop the show.
I want to preface this, man. I want to preface this with, you interact with me a lot. I know you a lot. I watch your live stream a lot. We share a lot of interests and commonalities there, right?
Absolutely.
So, with regards to that, yours is a little bit more custom. Not to
Yes.
say that others aren't. The longer you stay active, the longer we chat and get to know each other, and we develop some inside jokes. Like this is the super chat that I have for Bucky, who is very, very live. Very, very live.
Latrell Jennings, what's going on? DJ CoVa, yes, indeed.
Here we go. So this is Bucky's just because I did a lot of work on this one and I love it.
Bucky is wild.
Destroy them with lasers.
Hey! Oh!
So obviously, right? I don't think you have to explain that, but obviously, if you're a long-time viewer, if you're always there, first in the box, last out the box, obviously, you know, if you become a member, you know, of course, if DJ Lefave say he's going to do it for his members, he'll do a little bit more for the long-time loyalty people like that.
Yeah, I gotta know you. We gotta have something.
Yeah,
you
like
know?
you're not
Like,
going to just spend 45 minutes to an hour on, you know, Joe Schmo that just hopped into your chat and just became a member a week ago. Like, obviously.
Yeah, so the way that I feel about yours specifically, and I'm happy to do this for anyone else who becomes a member on my channel, and this is at any level, 99 cents up to the $25 membership level.
Yeah.
Any level, you get this. I feel like when you run your super chat, it's like you're running a commercial in my show.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like you are advertising, and that's how I'm treating each one of these, especially those who are creators who are sponsors on my show. You're running a commercial break. You're paying to run a commercial break.
Absolutely.
That is surrounded around yours. So let's do. I didn't see Ricky say anything, but he can watch it on replay. Can I do
think Ricky should still probably be here. I don't know, but go
Maybe-
ahead and play it
maybe he didn't
anyway.
hear me. So I'm gonna do Ricky. So each one of mine starts out with "Destroy Them with Lasers" because that's my OG super chat. That's the first interaction that I ever did.
Yo, when I
So
first
that is-
saw that, man, I was like, DJ Lefave, what the hell? I got worried. I was like, oh, my eyes. I'm like, man, is he really going blind? Like, I don't want to fuck his eyes up. Like, come on, man.
Yeah. So here we go. This is RFK. Oh no. That's, if you see right here now, this is the live member shout out. So that's
There we
another thing
go.
that I do is that you get a custom live member shout out. when you come on the stream. I pushed the wrong button. My bad. My bad.
Destroy them with lasers.
Here we go. RFK Tech USA. Thank you for supporting this channel, Ricky. We appreciate it to no end. If you guys want to go and follow RFK Tech USA, he's on YouTube. Go check him out. Does a great show, and he likes Samsung phones, just like your boy, DJ Lefave.
Oh my goodness.
So, you know, I took his background from his YouTube page, and he's got motion in the background that'll always be different based off a virtual DJ. So that is what I offer for the members, you know?
Now, I want to take a little segue real quick.
Let's go.
What would you say to creators who just simply don't use OBS and they like say, okay, I've had people who like they stream like once a week and they use StreamYard, right? So what would you say to people who only like use StreamYard stream once a week? Like, what is the appeal to them when it comes to integrating, even if it's just their one stream, OBS Touch Border for this interactive experience?
I'll say, do you. You know, you do you. Whatever you want to do, however you want to put your content out, I'm never going to ever tell anyone how to do their content. I'm going to give tips and tricks for what I think could help make your content more interactive.
Mm-hmm.
But as far as how you want to do it, look, there's so much burnout with streaming and producing videos that if you're doing something that you're struggling with or that it just makes it not fun, don't do it. Do what's easiest and best for you. If you want to do fun stuff like what I'm doing, I call this fun, then I'm here to hold your hand along the way. I'm here to help teach you and help get you there. Like, I believe that is part of my niche. One, I'm building a great community of people who are just having fun and hanging out in the chat. We've got inside jokes. I look forward to every single stream that I do. There's not a stream that I do that I'm like, oh man, it just. See, we got a joke on that too, because you and me are in the DMs on Twitter. But do what keeps you happy. Do what makes this fun. Do what keeps you out here and continues having you create stuff, right? I have a saying that I've kind of coined. It's kind of corny, but I still love it. In a world full of creators, be an innovator. Because it's so easy to use StreamYard, what is setting your stream apart from anybody else's stream? It could be your guest. It could be your content. It could 100% be that. It's not going to be your production value.
No.
It's not. That is not something that StreamYard brings to the table. But it does easily allow you to bring guests, multiple guests on. I've got a whole bunch of people on my show that come here from a channel called Studio 17. When I get on their live streams, they're 40, 50 deep, right, of people live, chatting, in the chat. They get 300-400 people watching every live stream every time, and they use StreamYard. There's nothing wrong with it if that's what you want to do. But if you want to do stuff like, I don't know, like this. And you want to have people do this to you while you're on stream through the chat and just have an interactively awesome...
Look like you in the negative zone right now, man. You got to stay positive.
That is what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna add this one. We're gonna add this as the next Google Sheets that we do right here. For those of you who haven't jumped in here yet, if you go in the live chat, there's a pinned message. Go to that link and submit the form, and you're gonna control my OBS. You're gonna destroy this stream with lasers. That's what you can do right now because I wanted to bring something interactive to you all without having control of CoVa's chat. That's what I wanted to do.
Now, my question, you mentioned burnout, right? That's a constant thing when it comes to, like, the creator community. My question would be, do you think in general content creation can cause burnout, or do you think that, you get more burnout do you get more? Would you say you could get more burnt out streaming constantly or recording and uploading constantly, or are they both the same thing?
Ask yourself, not you personally, but
Mhm.
anyone, ask yourself what validates what you were doing. What brings you validation? If you are only seeing validation in the form of tips and donations or views or likes or channel growth, guess what? Those things are all 100% out of your control. If you just want to do it because you like doing it, then that is what will help with the burnout. I believe the burnout comes is that these streamers, small to large, are constantly trying to one up themselves, one up the other streamers. They're trying to or they have this thing in their mind that this is their new job, that they don't have to work, that they could just stream 80 hours a week and they're going to have enough money to go and support their family. You're wrong. You're wrong. Unless you're not, then congratulations.
So it matters more to have like a purpose to what you're doing than just to simply be doing it just to earn money.
Well, I mean, if your purpose is to earn money and that is your goal and you want to continue to work hard to get to that point, like, I'm not going to lie, that was one of my early driving factors. As soon as I started seeing my channel growing and I noticed that I wasn't making any money, Google was making all the money off of my popular videos because I was having videos that were reaching, 30, 40,000 views, but I didn't have 1,000 subscribers yet. So I was a little butthurt over that. And I'm like, wow, what do I have to do to get to that point? And that elevated me as a streamer.
So we got interactive DNA, right? So he actually mentioned he has 2 comments. I'm not sure if you saw him, right? So
I just saw I've seen him. Yep,
okay,
he's got 3 now.
Okay, so the second one, just like the donations, you can store anything that YouTube provide, and with Cloud, you can activate things from donations, durations, etc. I thought OBS made it easier now. And his second one, I gave up with Touch Photo. Yes, he has famously given up with Touch Photo. Not wasting time with that anymore. I'm going to create my own software to control anything. My version, you will be able to control the stream, video, any chat. So we will have to wait for Interactive DNA to drop that software. I will be anticipating that, and whenever go ahead.
I want to say this on that. If you are a professional athlete and you are used to doing a certain workout a certain way with certain equipment and you know how to do it, when you jump into a Retro Fitness or a Planet Fitness, you're going to feel a little like this isn't enough. This isn't good, right? Interactive DNA is a professional broadcaster and programmer and coder. I believe what Touch Portal and the Streamlabs integrations offers is something that it does not matter your coding knowledge. It does not matter how good you are with computers. Can you follow a 14-minute YouTube video? Yeah? Well, guess what? If you can follow my video, which is very, very simple, and if you could spend $12.99 on Touch Portal Pro, you can now have interactive stuff inside of your broadcast. Now, it's not going to be to the level that I think Nay wants it to be at, which I totally understand what he's getting at. But if you look at the majority of people who are putting up live streaming content, whether it's interviews or if it's just a person talking or if it's playing video games, this is just fun stuff.
Yeah.
And that is what we're doing. So like, and Interactive DNA I know that he has a fun time doing his 2 to 3 hour live streaming sessions about him showing how he's doing this development work. But think about the masses. This right here is for the masses. And that is what I am trying to get that word out for. That anybody can do fun stuff easily. And it doesn't have to be as, in depth as what you want it to be, because I know Interactive DNA was developing this thing, and go for it. That provides you with enjoyment, and that's my biggest tip. Do you do you.
And when
Always.
interactive, and when you get that software up and running and you want to showcase it, you can definitely come here and you can showcase that software off, because I am very much interested in that. And I was about to ask you that question too. Shout out to Wealth Talk Productions in the building. Shout out to Mafia Gaming, Glitch Nation in the building. Yo, see over what it do. Hey, DJ Lefave, drop a nasty 80.
bitches?
Drop a nasty 808. So
I can't. I mean, what do we? You don't have any DMCA concerns right now, right?
no,
bro?
no. This is
Okay.
sometimes.
Smoke weed every day.
Hey, oh my God. And I was. Yeah, you know me. That's my shit too. I love when that shit when that came out.
Another one.
When I played that, listen.
Another one.
When that song came out, I played the fuck out of that track, man. I played the fuck out of that track. So I was actually going to ask you this too. Now, Touch Portal integration with Streamlabs. I'm a technical person. It doesn't look that intimidating, but does a person have to be very technically inclined to get this set up for their streaming shows?
No. And the same thing I'll point to right here on my screen is if I go to I'll go to my page right here. Streamlabs is very, very, very user friendly.
Very user friendly.
My most popular thing that I have is I taught people how to get Facebook chat overlay, right? Using Streamlabs. 100,000 views because it's simple. You break it down very, very simple. It's a terrible, terrible quality video, but 100,000 views and 698 likes, and the watch time is through the roof. The analytics on this thing, it's a good, if you want to call it, earner for me. Streamlabs makes things easy. That's why when people first start out, they might download OBS first, but then they feel more comfortable with Streamlabs desktop.
Absolutely.
But I mean, I could walk everyone through right now how to do. Like I said, if you integrated your OBS right now, I could get you a channel point in 20 minutes on your stream. You just have to integrate OBS, and bam, we're gonna get a channel point on your stream.
And it's that simple.
I could do that for you. It's that simple. I could not even have access to your computer. I could talk you through it, and you will have one channel point redemption on your stream.
Okay, let me
see. Yes,
see.
sir. And before you do that, the first thing that you would have to do, so that way your viewers can start getting loyalty points, is I'll show you. Streamlabs. So in Streamlabs, you guys are seeing here, you're going to log in to your account du jour. So for you, Ova, it would be YouTube. So while you're doing that, I'm going to go and read your chat. Mafia Gaming says thanks. He's got a question for me.
Yeah, go ahead. What would you prefer, Pro Tools or Ableton? Me and my brother going back and forth about it. That's a DJ equipment question right there.
That is a music production question.
More like music production. Yeah, because I know
music
the Ableton.
Production.
I know. Where is that? Test. Okay, I heard an echo real quick. I know Ableton works with, what is it, Pro Tools? No. Ableton works with a certain hardware mixer, if I remember correctly. But everyone I know really uses Pro Tools.
Well, I got my kid for Christmas a Novation MK3 MIDI keyboard, and with that came Ableton. And I was futzing around with Ableton, and it seemed pretty cool. Like, I enjoyed it. So, personally, I mean, it's free. I think they have an Ableton free, so you could try it.
Mm-hmm.
Try whichever one you like. Try them both if you have the ability to try them both. It all depends on what you're trying to do. If you've got a brother, well, you pick one and he picked the other, and then bada bing, bada boom, you got both.
Welcome to the stream, Tech 702. What up, people? Hope your pimp hands are strong this evening. They are always ready to go.
Oh, that was cracking.
It was really loud.
It's all right.
Oh,
it's all right.
I didn't realize that one was so loud.
My anaconda don't.
So there was a question again. Let me see. Eli Cool J, welcome to the stream. How were you able to zoom in and out with your cursor? I believe that's a Python script, if I remember you telling me.
That is a Python script and a YouTube. It's a YouTube script that relies on Python. Come on over here. So this is the actual script that is firing off. It's a Python script. Pretty awesome though, huh?
Yeah. Twidget is like completely broken. That's crazy. I don't know why. It's like not even working now. That is crazy. Anyway, I like to highlight
Twidget.
Yeah. Twidget. I'm gonna send him. He needs to get it together. He actually responds to emails, so I'm gonna email him because they need to get it together with that because it's an excellent plugin, but it shouldn't just not be working all of a sudden for no apparent reason. Eli Cool J says real ones use FL Studio. So I have Touch Portal on my Tab S7.
Well, no, before you get into that, what you need to do right here, before you do that,
I gotta move my phones over here because I got
you need the loyalty points to start capturing people in your chat.
Okay.
So this is why I'm going to tell you to do this first. So log into Streamlabs, click on CloudBot.
Oh boy, log into Streamlabs. Okay, let's see.
Yep.
We haven't done that in almost 2 years. Okay.
Well, Mafia Gaming, there were so many rabbit holes I could have went down when I started in the whole music biz, and I felt that if I even touched music production, that I would never be at this point on live streaming and interactiveness that I'm doing. There's only 24 hours in a day, so much time that you can devote to certain hobbies and enjoyments. And while I think it would have been cool to have learned, I never got into it. So I literally have no idea, FL Studio or Ableton or Pro Tools, or there's even a free one out there that does all the same things. I couldn't tell you. But have fun with it, 100%.
Smoke weed every day. Oh my God.
Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day.
This isn't water in here. Just to let you. Oh man, this is not water in here. And well, I just want to mention something too. And yes, like when I have guests on my show, it's not about me. It's about the conversation. It's about the information from the guest itself. So I got no problem putting like Lefave is up there on the big screen. I got my I put my image mask. I kind of like this one. I like this little image mask.
I do like it. I've got you rolling on my phone down below.
Yeah, I like this one. Yeah,
I can't see you on the StreamYards. But,
yeah.
No, I like this.
I like this little image mask. So yeah, I don't got no problem like highlighting my guests because it's not about me. Like I'm not here to talk to my guests about myself. I'm here for DJ Lefave to show you guys this information and this knowledge. Hopefully that you can take something away from this and apply this to your platform to provide better content and entertain, inform your audience and your subscriber base, and hopefully grow your audience. So I've logged in onto Streamlabs now.
Okay.
See over, I have the tab 6 planning, to get the Tab 7 Plus. Yeah, if you get the Tab 7 Plus, I mean, they're coming out with the S8, but if you can get the Tab S7 Plus for a good deal, then I would tell you you don't even need to get the Tab 8. You can just get the 7 Plus. I got the Tab S7, and
Hey, that's pretty good.
that is pretty good. And and I'll be honest with you, like with I'm gonna incorporate Touch Portal with my stream, but I have computers, so I don't edit on the Tab S7. Like I can use Filmora or Snapcut on my Z Fold 2 and in my Note 20 Ultra. So like my computing power is not going to be based in a tablet. And if you want to upgrade your tablet and you got a Tab 6, if you can get a Tab 7 Plus for a good price, you can definitely go ahead and snag that, because the S8 is going to be almost close to what the new Samsung phone's price is going to be. And it's going to be a little bit expensive. So definitely get a Tab 7 Plus if you can for cheap. Okay, so back to you, Lefave. So I'm in Streamlabs. I got my we got another person. Citizen Lou. I used OBS in a Zoom meeting and everybody was asking me questions. Listen, and to Citizen Lou, if you guys are interested, like I consult with people. I help you with your software, hardware, and get your streaming and your content set up. I don't consult with you and tell you how to grow your channel, improve your thumbnails, YouTube banners. I don't do none of that nonsense, right? I help you with the things that can be visibly seen and shown, and to improve your content, software, hardware wise. Lou consulted with me. I've consulted with other people, but Lou's made like major improvements on his content in his channel. So again, like, shout out to Lou. Once again, DJ Lefave, we're back to you again now. Streamlabs is up on the screen. I'm logged in.
Sure you is. All right. So what you're gonna want to do here is you want to go to CloudBot, right?
Mm-hmm.
So go to CloudBot first, and then activate your CloudBot. Then it's gonna tell you to add Streamlabs as a moderator, and tells you how to do that. So add Streamlabs, add this channel as a moderator in your YouTube.
Now, I
And then when you're done with that-
believe I have it already as a moderator from when I was using Streamlabs. Let me check.
You believe?
I believe
I can fly.
Yeah, I see it right here. I see Streamlabs as a moderator. Yeah, I already have Streamlabs as a moderator.
Good. Okay, so then you could pass through that step right there. You don't need to do that.
Okay.
Get out of the way here.
I'm gonna cover up the StreamYard logo. There we go.
Oh, wouldn't that be great? Get on the other side, man. You're on the wrong side. Get on the right.
Right here?
Oh, hold on. I'm on delay. I'm watching your YouTube feed. So
Okay, so I'm at the top right on your. I'm at the
Okay,
top right.
good,
right.
good,
So,
good,
so I'm
good,
covering up the StreamYard logo.
okay, good. So then I believe you go to modules, and it's not modules. It is in. No, you're good. That's it. So now it's activated, right? You're good. And then
Okay.
when you go over to loyalty tab, you're going to start seeing people in there, and you may already have people in there, unless you did not have the CloudBot activated.
Nope, I've never had CloudBot activated.
Okay, so that is step one. All right. So now that you have that done, I want you to go and get your touch portal up.
Yep, it's up on my tablet.
And is OBS connected?
No.
Connect it.
How do you do that? Okay. Let me see.
I don't know. It kind of just happens. If you go into settings, right, and then there
Wait a
is
minute.
an
What?
OB
Hold on.
you're-
On. Did I just do that? Hold on. Oh, so it is connected. Okay, so pressing home clicks all of that stuff. So I have to change that. There we go. Are you there, DJ Lefave?
I'm here.
Okay, so I'm okay, hold on. Let me see something. So my home button, I'm using Interactive DNA's custom layout. I haven't changed everything. But when I press home, it goes to all of my scenes like that. So let
Here,
me
you see my screen?
Yeah.
You see my screen? What I want you to do is just click plus, type a name, call this Lefave, and click add. All right?
Let's see.
You put it on your screen showing off what you're doing, or what are you doing?
I'm on the tablet right now.
Okay.
Let me see.
Well, no, you're doing this. You do this on the computer.
Ah, that's
yeah.
what it. That's why. Okay.
Yeah,
There we go.
you got to do it on the computer, man.
All right, so I'm pulling up on the
Mafia
computer.
Gaming says, yeah, I do a lot of music editing on my Tab S6. I convert MP3s to WAV and Ps. Remove play and play emulators, so need to see what the Tab S7 is capable of. I have the Note 20 Ultra 5G. If you got Samsung, then you can get Samsung Dex, which is an awesome application.
Samsung Dex is off the chain.
It's fantastic. I can use Touch Portal on my computer because of Samsung Dex.
Okay, so you say go to plus.
Yep. You see, and then create a new page.
Okay, add page. We're just gonna call this.
Call it Lefave.
Yeah, we're gonna call it. We're gonna call it Lefave.
All right.
Okay, there we
now,
go. All right, there we go.
My. Are you frozen on my?
Nope, I'm
you're
not
good.
frozen.
Okay.
I like
right.
when I'm listening, I'm doing something. I just don't move.
Okay.
A lot of people say the same thing. Like, are you frozen? No, I'm just listening.
So now to be able to get to this page from your default, click that down arrow and go to the one that says main or whatever one is your.
Go to main.
your
Yep, I
default.
see. We go to main.
Go to main and just click on any button. Right? Any clear. Do you have clear space on there?
Yeah, got it.
So click on one of them, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go to navigation on the left, and we're going to say go to page, and then choose the page and choose Lefave.
Okay.
And on the button text, say Lefave page. You need to make sure you have button text.
Yeah, I see it right here.
All right.
There we go. Lefave text. No, I said Lefave page.
Does your touch portal look like mine, by the way? Is this this gray? Is it?
Yeah.
is it the new
And this
version?
part, yeah.
All right, then click save. So now from your tablet, you can go to the page, right? So you're good to go to that page.
So let's see. So let's go.
If you are on Touch Portal on the computer, I believe if you hit Shift and left key, no, maybe it's Alt.
Okay, so I hit Lefave and it went to the main page. It went to that new page I made.
Good.
Okay.
Good. Okay, so go to that new page. So we're
Okay.
on that new page. You're good. So on this page, the first thing you might want to do is change the layout. So to change the layout in the top right, there are these grid settings. If you want to make this look like a Stream Deck XL, just make it 8 by 8. And you'll notice that your buttons resize. You now have space for 8 buttons across and 8 buttons down.
Yes.
And there's a whole bunch of other different features you can do. As you guys can see from mine, I'm more concerned with making functionality than I am making stuff actually look pretty. At some point, I'll make things look pretty. But, you know, that's not my priority at the current moment. It's just diving into this. Okay, so the next thing you got to do, PlayStation. Okay, I got you, Mafia. I got you. The next thing that you want to do is you're going to need a plugin, and I'm going to go get the link for you. It's the Streamlabs plugin. You wouldn't have the updated one, I don't believe.
Updated Streamlabs on my computer?
No. It's the plugin for Touch Portal. So I'm showing everyone on the screen right now how to get to this. You go to touchportal.com, you go to downloads, and you go to plugins. And then on here, you're going to scroll down until you see Streamlabs, which I may have already passed. Who knows? Control F, Streamlabs. There it is. Okay, so then you're going to go click on this guy, and it's going to bring you to this page. You click Go to Website, and it's going to bring you to an external website, and this is the link that you need. So this is actually the gentleman that I worked with. His name is Chris, and link's in the chat now. You download the plugin, right? And
So
tell me when you get that
where it
far.
says download, just click download.
Just click download. These are all the things that it can do interacting with Streamlabs.
All right, it's downloaded.
Okay, good. Good. So now inside of Touch Portal, we're going to go to this settings cog up here,
Okay.
and we're going to click import plugin.
Okay.
And then you're going
Find
to
the
go
plugin?
find the plugin, which should be a TPP file.
Yep, see it. And add it. And
Yep. And then it's going to say, do you want to trust this
Trust
Been
always.
done. It's good. Yep.
Oh.
Trust always.
Import. Trust always. Okay, so we imported it.
Okay, good. Now,
Allow
when you-
access. Okay, it's asking for Java access. All right, so API authorization for Touch Portal Streamlabs plugin. Approve. There we go.
all right, perfect. So now, just if you were to click on a button, any empty button here,
Okay.
you're going to see that on the left-hand side, get out of the way, you're going to see on the left-hand side some of your available actions. There's now this new thing called Streamlabs. And
Let me
these are
see
all of the,
Streamlabs desktop.
it should just say Streamlabs, not Streamlabs desktop. That controls, that's built into Touch Portal. This is the actual plugin. So go down
Oh yeah,
further.
I see it.
This one just says Streamlabs, right?
Okay. Oh,
So
they go
these
to
are all the-
credits roll. Oh, right.
You could do that if you have that all set up or whatever. All right, so it's installed. You're good. All right, that is. We're not doing anything here anymore. Nothing more there. Okay.
And just to let
So-
the people watching know, yes, we are getting very technical.
This is not technical, dude. This. What have we done
technical,
right now that is
technical in the sense of like downloading, installing, and adding plugins. Not technical in the sense that you're going to lose your brain and you're not capable of doing.
Well, I mean, technical. You're CoVa the technician, but this is making tech easy. Anybody out there
making things technically simple.
look, if you are using the Zoom desktop client, you
Yeah.
had to go to a website, you had to
Yes.
download it, you had to install it.
Yes.
Don't get scared by this.
No.
There is nothing scary about this whatsoever.
No.
If you didn't have somebody to walk you along the way, though, I could see how this entire interface could be confusing and daunting.
Mm-hmm.
I see that fully.
It's like
All
looking
right?
at OBS when you first install it. Scary as hell.
Yes, 110%. Okay, so now
got
that
my-
we have the basics, we have the basics in place. Let's start the clock. It is 9:17 p.m. right now. I want to wager that by 9:18, that by 9:40, you're going to be able to fire off a loyalty point reward.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. Okay, so to get this, now the first step we have to do is
I have
go
my
to,
empty button. Okay, we're going back to the Streamlabs thing. Okay.
Go to Streamlabs. Yeah, go to Streamlabs. All right. Go get on into Streamlabs. And to do this, if you refresh the page under loyalty, let me know if you see any names there now.
I have to enable loyalty. Okay.
Oh, did you not enable it?
No, but okay. So
All right,
let's see.
so we got to wait 5 minutes before people show up there, which is fine. We've got 20 to work with here. All right.
Okay.
We've got 20. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to store, okay?
Okay.
And this is where you actually create your items that are going to be read in Touch Portal that then trigger off inside of OBS.
Okay.
So click Create New Item
Okay.
and follow along here.
All right.
It's going to be a stream perk, and
Okay.
we're going to call this we're going to call it Flicker. And I'm going to tell you why in a moment because this is going to be a very simple thing that we're going to do.
Okay. Flicker.
It's called Flicker. Yeah, it's called Flicker. That's what we're going to call. Item description, you have to put something in here, so we'll call this Flicker again. That's it. The cost, let's make it cost 1 point so everyone can have fun with this one.
Okay. 1
Okay.
point.
And then user cooldown, we're going to put, let's put 10 seconds in there.
Okay. Oh man. Sorry. Hold on. My fault. I'm hitting my hotkeys. I gotta use the Oh god, I set my hotkeys to my numpad. Go ahead.
Okay. So we're good there. Now we're
So
going to
don't change don't change the quantity or nothing.
No, the quantity that when it's -1, it means you have infinite of these to do.
Perfect.
Now, if you wanted to do something that was really big and cost a lot of points and you only wanted it to trigger one time, then you make that a 1, right? So we're going to click next.
Okay.
Now, you have to put a thumbnail and you have to put a sound file. So when you click on pick, you could use anything that's already built in there or you can upload your own photo. What I have done is I created a blank PNG file that I called Shooting Blanks.
That's unfortunate.
And no, not at this age, man. That's perfectly fine. We are good. We are good. So then you click on that one. You click select. That's the one that we're gonna put in there. And then for a sound file, you need to have a sound file in there. It's not gonna play the sound file.
Okay, so I'm still on the whole image part. So let me see. We got stock
If you
files. We
have-
got stock images.
pick a stock file. That's fine. A stock image, or you can upload something or whatever.
Oh, we got a nice one. I'm gonna pick that one. Okay.
No one's gonna see it. No one's gonna see
Oh,
it.
it doesn't even matter. Okay, so we can just
It
pick
doesn't
a sound.
matter.
Okay,
You
we
just need to pick something, and then just pick a sound file. And what I did was, I created a silent sound file in Audacity. I created a 5-second silent one, just to throw in here. So I'm just putting that in there.
Okay, so I just picked whatever they got.
Okay,
Mhm.
that's fine. Now make sure the volume is at least up. Keep it at 50. That's fine. Don't touch that. The volume needs to be on. We discovered.
Okay.
Click on Redeem Shows Alert.
Okay.
Make sure Redeem via chat is in there.
Okay.
And the command is going to be flicker. All right?
Okay.
Cool. Now we're going to click next.
Okay.
And we click save. Done.
Save.
Your loyalty point is created. Now, while we are in here, what I want you to do is go to alert box on the left. Just so you match my settings completely.
Yeah.
And then under here, we're going to click on CloudBot Redemption.
Okay.
And CloudBot Redemption alerts select enabled.
Yep, it's already enabled.
All right, so you're good there. Okay, cool. Let's just go back to our loyalty and see if any names showed up yet in your loyalty box.
You go back to loyalty. You go to
Just loyalty. That's it. It's on CloudBot. So click on CloudBot on the left.
there. We got to go to
click on
CloudBot to
loyalty.
get to it. Okay.
Yep.
All right. I don't see anybody yet.
Well, it's got to be 5 minutes while you're enabled. So that is the one thing.
So
that
I
has to
probably
happen.
enabled it like what 9:19. It's 9:22. So we got about like 3 minutes
Okay,
left.
we'll wait.
Okay.
We'll wait on that. All right, cool. So now that you have created your first loyalty point,
Mhm.
what I want you to do now is minimize this screen and get into Touch Portal.
Okay.
And on Touch Portal, first off, do you see that it's activated on the bottom right? Do you have a green dot on the bottom right?
Connected.
Okay. So every time you open up your computer for the first time, you need to also open up Touch Portal on your mobile device. And that activates it. Then you can close your mobile device afterwards. But you have to make sure you have that green dot there. Okay, so to make this happen, it's very easy. The first thing we have to do is create the actual action of what's going to happen. So we're going to go into flows.
Mhm.
That is where you can create a new flow, okay? And what I want you to do is go there and tell me when you're there.
Yep, I'm here.
All right, click Add New Flow.
Uh-huh.
And we're going to call this one Camera Flicker, okay?
Okay.
Tell me when you're good.
Yeah, we're good.
All right, so on the bottom left, or on the left, you're going to see the OBS pin, right? We are going to select Source Visibility.
Okay.
And on the source visibility, you just click on it, and it comes onto your screen and looks like this. Again, this is a very simple action. We're going to make
Well,
your
mine's
camera
is
flicker.
saying not connected to OBS. Start OBS or check settings.
Do you have WebSockets enabled? Do you have the WebSockets plugin on OBS?
Nope.
Come on, technician. Next time then. We can't do it now then. We can't
So what
do it
is
now.
so where the WebSockets?
I can still show you how this works without WebSockets working, okay? I can still show you how this works.
Do I need to restart my computer if I'm installing the WebSocket?
You'll have to probably restart OBS. But I can still show you that this works without doing anything with OBS right now, okay?
Okay.
I can still show you how this is going to work.
Okay.
So go into Events,
Okay.
and we're going to add a new event.
All right.
And for your new event, I want you to call it Loyalty Points Redemption.
Okay.
Okay, so you called it loyalty points redemption. LP. I want to do this from scratch too. Now for the event, I want you to scroll down until it says values when plugin state changes.
Values when plugin state changes. Okay.
Perfect. Now you click the down arrow in that new green box, and we're going to go to Streamlabs last loyalty store redemption username.
Last loyalty store redemption username. Okay.
And then click on the next box and say does not change to.
Does not change to.
And then leave the final box blank.
Okay.
Okay? So that's that. Now we have to create an action in here. This is where your OBS action would go. You can either insert your flow that you created or you can spell it all out in here. So what we're going to do is on the left, we are going to go to Logic.
Uh-huh.
Click if statement.
If statement. Okay.
If,
Uh-huh.
click the down arrow, and we're going to say other states,
Uh-huh.
Touch Portal Streamlabs plugin.
Okay, so hold on. Mine is a little bit different. So if other states touch portal. So okay, so it doesn't have touch portal, but it has Streamlabs plugin, Streamlabs
Okay.
last.
Streamlabs plugin. We
Yeah,
want it to say Streamlabs last loyalty store redemption
Okay,
product.
got it. So Streamlabs last loyalty store redemption product. Yep.
Yep. And then and this is where you type in the exact name of your product, which we said was Flickr. Right?
Flickr. Okay.
You guys following along in chat? I mean, this is we're going step by step here, and we are almost actually done. Almost done.
Yes.
So now what we're gonna do, just to make this trigger off, we're gonna open up a text.
Do we have to
open up
save
a
it?
text file. No, hold on, we're not done yet.
Okay.
We have to say, so if the product is Flickr, I'm gonna open up a text file, right? So we're gonna say open file.
Uh-huh.
Click on that. Follow my screen. Drag it on into into there, and now we're gonna add it. So then you go to your desktop, and then just kind of you can right click and create a new text file. You know how to do that, right?
So hold on. So we go, okay, there we go. Go to the desktop, right click, new text document. We'll name it.
Name it whatever, and then that's just the one that we're gonna select.
We're gonna call
So-
it CoVa Flickr. Okay.
Open. So when somebody in the chat types redeem Flickr, this file should open up on your computer.
Yeah.
And we're going to say save.
Okay.
All right, so go back to your Streamlabs and see if you got anybody on there. If you've got the
So do you click
loyalty
reset loyalty database, or do you just refresh the screen?
I didn't see any of that. What do you mean? Oh, you mean in here?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
don't- just refresh the screen. If you hit reset loyalty database, it gets rid of all these people. Everybody's watch time is gone. Don't do that.
No. Okay. So let me see. We have 3 people watching, and I still don't see anybody.
Maybe it takes time because you didn't have the bot running when you first started your
Okay.
knows?
Okay.
But
okay.
you have no names showing up right now though, right?
No. It says no users in the list. Go to settings to customize your loyalty system. So I don't see anybody.
So if we go into settings, did you click enabled?
Settings. Yeah, it's enabled. Loyalty system is enabled. Mm-hmm.
Okay. It took some time for me for people to
It'll probably just take some time. Okay.
So here, change this in intervals, change in minutes to 1 and
There we
click save.
Fucking
What?
fucking hotkeys. I pressed my hotkey instead of the other one. Okay.
I
Look.
can't see what's going on.
No, I switched the screen. It's okay. I gotta remember not to do it. So interval must be 5 or more. Oh man.
Okay, well then 5 minutes. Mafia, you tracking this, man? Is this all making sense to you? This is we're trying to make it very, very easy.
Making it technically
Very,
simple.
very easy. Yeah. So it's probably not going to work right now, but I'm going to go redeem flicker. It probably won't work right now. Flicker, right? That's how we spelled it?
Yep.
So I'm going to click on that. Or I'm going to click on points. I'm going to try to see if the bot is working. So it doesn't look like the bot is active right now because when I'm doing
Oh, I see
basic
Mafia
commands,
Gaming.
Oh,
Mafia Gaming has 1 point.
okay. So Mafia Gaming, do redeem flicker.
DJ Lefave flicker costs 1 point. You only have 0.
I have 0. But if Mafia has 1 point, Mafia, make this happen, brah.
Yeah,
Make
Mafia.
this happen.
Let's go, Mafia.
So what should happen now before he does that, CoVa, if you keep an eye on this screen, the event screen,
Yeah.
if the event is triggered, you're gonna see something turn gray around here, like it's going to or like a bright. It's gonna say, hey, something activated this.
Mm-hmm.
So let's go.
So what Mafia Gaming has to do
Redeem.
is redeem.
He has to type
exclamation
redeem
point
flicker.
redeem space flicker.
Yep. So I tried. Oh, you got to do exclamation point, Mafia.
Yeah, exclamation point. I believe in miracles.
Why don't I have any points? This is bullshit.
No new friend.
I've been here.
No.
I've been here as long as Mafia.
No new friends. No new. So Mafia, all you gotta do is put exclamation point redeem.
Exclamation point.
Excavation point. Redeem. Yeah, type it out how DJ Lefave has it. We're gonna see how we're gonna get this working. Point. There we go. He hit it.
There we go. He hit it. So now watch your event screen and see if that text document opens.
Okay.
By the way, we are 12 minutes into this, and you're already having people redeeming points. So it has been successfully redeemed.
Okay, so I'm not seeing anything moving on Touch Portal.
And then what you're going to also end up seeing here is that you're going to see the number amount of times this was triggered this session. That is what you're going to see.
Okay. So I don't see anything going on. Is that because I don't have the WebSocket?
No, because your WebSocket would only be OBS. What we're trying to do here is just open up a text file. These can trigger non-OBS things. That's the thing. These could do anything that because Touch Portal can control smart lights. Somebody could redeem something that would flash
and
lights in your room.
And turn off my LifeX light bulb or control my nano leaves.
Exactly.
Whoa, that would be cool if people could change my lights on my stream.
So if this doesn't work, then the only thing that I know that I had to do that you probably didn't do, well, one is you got to make sure that you're on the updated version of Touch Portal.
I before I started the stream, it said that there was an update, but because we were going to be doing it right now, I didn't want to update it.
Yep. So the two things that you would have to potentially make sure you do is that you need to make sure that you are updated here and that your Java runtime environment is 1.8. Those are the two things that normally when you install a fresh Touch Portal, you're going to get that, or if you do the update. So I'm going to try my redeem now just to see if it maybe took. Remember, it took me some time when I first did this.
I still only see Mafia Gaming here. Let me see if I'm gonna refresh the page, and it says no users in this list. It's acting funny.
Well, you've got the redemptions at least working on the chat side.
Yeah.
So now it's your connection with Streamlabs and Touch Portal, which is it costs 1 point. You have 0. Fuck you. It's not picking me up for some reason. Maybe moderator. I don't know. But regardless, Mafia proved the point, and now you just have to. We just got to make sure that connection works. Simple as that. And then you would design. So if you look at my stream right now, you
Uh-huh.
saw the little dance that I did earlier, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So do you want to see the moves? So first off, I had to do this all.
Oh, look at
inside
all
of
these
OBS.
assets. You got OBS free, Spotify, Zoom, voice meter,
Oh yeah. Oh, there's so
loop
much you can
deck
do there.
emulation. Wow, look at all this shit.
So
They got one for
this is-
Valorant. Okay. Well,
This is what went into that dance movement right here on my screen.
okay.
44 movements.
Woo!
And
Mafia
so-
Gaming, you successfully redeemed Flickr for 1 point.
so then again, you're just want to go to your events and
Mhm.
see if times triggered this section.
Still says
And the-
0.
So here's the other thing that maybe you could try to do is on the left-hand screen,
Mm-hmm.
click the little up button here. I mean on and you just want to restart Touch Portal. Right click and hit restart.
Got it.
That may be a nice little fix for you. Who knows?
Restarting Touch Portal. Touch Portal has been restarted. Okay, it's asking for approval for the Streamlabs plugin once again. Okay, that's been done already. But your browser blocked the request.
It's your Java. That's what that is. I had that same problem.
Oh no.
Yeah.
So we
But
got-
hey, once you get that squared away, bro, you now have loyalty points basically all set up for your stream.
Oh, so I gotta I just recently installed a fresh Java installation, so I gotta do it again. Okay. Uh-oh.
Yeah, because I was seeing that you need make sure you're on the updated Touch Portal and the updated Java. But that is what
yes.
this community right here is fantastic. If you're on Discord,
I'm in the Discord actually. I'm in that Discord.
Oh, do you see me typing in there all day long? Like,
Let me pull up the Discord.
their Discord is fantastic.
Yeah, I saw them share your video. Let me see. Are you in? Let me see general chat. Let me see. I'm in a general chat now. Let me see. Where are you at? You said you're in the chat and all day. I gotta scroll up to see where you're at. I see the guy.
Oh,
that
yeah,
you-
I did the self promotion, little self promotion here.
Oh, self promotion. Okay, hold on.
I mean, no, I put it everywhere. I put this stream. This self promotion channels are, I guess, unnecessarily evil on
Oh well. Let me just share the stream out and let them know that we're talking about Touch Portal live on YouTube. Hold on. We gotta.
Yeah, you could do that. We're probably winding down our talk on Touch Portal.
Yeah.
But no, actually, before I go, I'm gonna do one more Google form, which you could do the Google form, and that should work too for you. It should. Do you have Google Drive on your computer?
Yeah. I mean, I have
Yeah,
the
so
web
this-
the web app Google Drive. I don't have the application physically on my computer.
Okay, so you need to have it physically on your computer for this to work because it's gonna read a file. Yeah.
Okay. So let me see. I could probably do that off the stream then. I could come back to that.
Yeah,
Yes.
we don't have to do that now,
Yeah, yeah.
obviously.
Uh-huh.
Obviously.
Basically.
All right. Basically. So what we're going to do right now, gang, Mafia, if you want to have some fun real quick, there is a message pinned. Let me put it again here. I'm going to put it again here if you can't see the pinned message. You can actually control my stream, my video, by going to this link and submitting that form. It's in the chat right now. And I'm going to go full screen here for a moment. That way we can really appreciate this. And I'm going to show you how this was done. So we'll wait for that wonderful YouTube 15-second latency delay.
Oh, YouTube. YouTube.
Oh, YouTube.
2,000 years later.
Oh my God, I love that one, man. Oh my God, I love that one.
I go to
and-
my instance. I go to my instance to get all mine. I like my instance.
What's that?
What's that? Well, hey, I'm sharing my screen. Let me show you. Myinstance.com. It's kind of spammy with ads, but you can get all of your, you know, if you want a fart sound with reverb. You know,
Oh
you can do
shit!
that.
Damn, you gotta warn me before you do some shit like that. That was loud. The hell? What's the? How do you spell it?
My Instance.
Oh, instance. Okay.
You're in the middle of a load. Go on your phone. You can do it on your phone, bruh. I mean, I don't want you to leave or anything, but I'll show you what happens, man. This is what happens. If you were to open this link right here, it would be Destroy DJ Lefave with Lasers. Make sure you follow me on YouTube and join our Reddit community. CoVa is in the Reddit community. And then all you're going to do is click yes, better get your shades, and I'm going to click submit. And then we wait for the magic to happen. Destroy DJ Lefave.
Destroy them with lasers.
Oh, it's bright.
So bright. So I got this thing pulled up on my computer, so let me see where I'm gonna push. I got something muted. Where were you at? There was some audio coming through. Okay, there we go. So we got the system audio. Let me see if that's changed. So we're gonna have the system audio.
Oh, it's bright.
Oh, you know what? I So think bright. you got some So audio I got this coming thing through. pulled That's up on my why. computer. You got
Right
some.
now?
Yeah, you got. Push. I think you I got got. When I'm something talking, muted. I'm hearing myself There was some through audio the coming through Okay, the there we go. browser. So we got the system audio. Let me see
Through
if
the
that's
browser.
changed. So yeah.
have
Hold
the
on.
system
audio.
Filters? Oh, it's
no
bright. No, I mean,
oh, you know what? I think
I'm
you
not
got some
sending
audio
your
coming
audio
through. That's
to
why.
you. I'm only sending me
You got some.
and
Yeah,
my.
you got. I think you got.
Do I
when
have
I'm
you
talking,
open
I'm hearing
on any YouTube
myself
videos? No.
through the browser.
have-
So, okay, so here, let me figure that out. Let me. Yeah.
That's
hold on.
internal on you, bro.
Okay.
Oh, it's no bright. No, I mean,
Oh,
he
you
did
know
it.
what?
You're gonna destroy him again. So it takes a minute sometimes, up to a minute. But
Okay,
when it
I know
hits, it
what,
hits.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close the Streamlabs stuff. I'm gonna open this Opera browser. I'm gonna have the Opera browser play because I like this instance thing. This thing is cool. I'm gonna see how to use this
It's
right
cool.
now.
And then so when your thing hits, Mafia, I should be getting a, where is it? Tweet mention, voice attack, one of these. Sample interaction. Yeah.
Okay,
So when this
where-
file changes, then it's going to fire off that file, which does all the fun stuff, and that's going to hit. So when it's triggered, and right now I triggered it once. Yep. Yep.
Wait a minute. Hold on.
And then if you
What? What? How am I just? Wait. No, they got the to be continued. What?
I'm telling you, dude, they got everything. Hey, Mafia, thanks for the sub. I appreciate it.
I
and hope to see
appreciate
you
that,
on the Reddit.
Mafia.
Hope to see you on the Discord.
No, I'm gonna spend like a whole hour on this shit. Are you kidding
Just
me right
download
now?
the shit. Yeah.
Are
Just
you
download it.
kidding me?
Destroy them with lasers.
Oh, yes! Yes! Yo,
That's for your sub. That's for your sub, Mafia.
Oh my
Now-
God! Go ahead. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Now, check this out. I also created something
Okay.
with an
Destroy them with lasers. And his name is John C.
Oh my God! You just fucking blew my mind with this shit. I had
Now,
no
I
idea
will-
this website existed.
I will tell you though that a lot of these are, you will get copyright stuff.
I can tell.
You will definitely get copyright stuff. I believe if you follow me on Twitter, I think it will fire off the. I'm not sure if it will or not. I don't know. I didn't.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Fucked up. Oh, that's a good one. We need that. We both need that one.
We both
send me
need that.
link so we both need that one. Yeah, get me that. Well, actually, I need to bleep it out when I put it on my stream.
Yeah.
It's a family-friendly stream.
Yeah, I got you.
On my stream.
We are 100%. We are
So,
18 and
what were
over
we
over
doing?
here. We
I was going to show you.
Yeah, you was about to show me
how to
something.
do this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was going to show you how to do this. So, we're going to go to Forms, Google, Forms. Here we go. So this is how we do this, right? This is my Google Forms. I'm gonna bring this on over here. We're gonna create a new form. So I'm just gonna click plus button for a new form, and we're gonna say throw shade at DJ Lefave. Okay.
Okay.
And then the question is, how much do you hate DJ Lefave? Enough to throw shade at him? Question mark. And option 1 is, hell yes, I hate that guy. All right, that's it. So we're going to make that a required answer, and we're going to say responses are going to go create a spreadsheet, create a new spreadsheet called DJ Lefave is the worst. Create. Okay, cool. So now that is created, this is our file that we're going to have. So we have the link.
Oh, you playing Minecraft. I like it, cut G.
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
You got to turn that down, bro.
Oh my God. So that's samples. I'm going to turn the samples down. Damn, I didn't. Damn,
Copy.
these things are super loud too.
We're going to shorten the URL.
Okay.
And I'm going to copy this. So I'm just going to throw this in the chat for a second. You don't do anything yet. Don't do anything yet. It's not going to work yet.
Don't do it.
Work yet. Don't do it. So I am going to put something in here just so that way it registers that there's, a document. Hell yes, I hate that guy. He's the worst. Submit.
Absolute.
Okay. So now we have our form. Cool. So inside of here, I'm going to change the one that we had created. So right here, it's going to be an event, sample interaction time. When a file changes, and the file that we're going to change is DJ Lefave is the worst, right?
Mm-hmm.
And when that happens, I'm going to get rid of this. Delete. Actually, I'll just change it. I used Noob's Commanders for all these a while ago, so I'm just going to use them again. Super chats, and we're going to do. Actually, you know what? We're going to run your super chat, CoVa. When DJ Lefave is the worst, we're going to run your super chat. How's that sound?
Okay.
Execute flow, and the flow is going to be super chat CoVa. Save. Okay. All right. So, CoVa, click on that link. My hands are free. We'll see how long it takes to register.
Shout out to Real Brother. He said he's been in the background, grab some beer. How much do you hate DJ Lefave? Enough to throw shade at him? Hell yes. I hate that guy.
Hell yes.
Hell yeah. I clicked it. All right.
Do it with no hands.
We waiting. We waiting.
What's up, Real Brother?
Going on real. All right. I clicked it. Maybe
all right, you submitted it? No,
yep.
it takes time. So sometimes it can take for anywhere from like 3 seconds to 60 seconds. With this method, it just takes some time. But this is just showing you how your touch portal can integrate with, anything. Anything.
Man, okay. So I remember when I did it, when I did the other one. Let me see. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna switch the account. Maybe. Let me see. Maybe if I switch the account.
No. You did it. I mean, because like when I come into here and I see that the responses. So let me go to the. If I go into the actual file, I'm gonna open up the file. So it says DJ Lefave is the worst. When I open it up, it captured what you did, right? But
Okay.
it's just that touch portal will take a second to be able to read that. It's kind of hokey because it's a Google Drive thing.
Okay.
Oh, you know what happened actually? I had to restart touch portal last time when I did this. When I changed these things up, I had to restart touch portal.
Okay.
Thank you, real brother. I appreciate it. Fabulous job a week ago. I can't believe it was a week already. You were up on here.
Really? Right. You know, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that flew. All right, so we're gonna do it again. Click on the link and fire it on off. So again, if you guys just click on the link in the chat and tell everyone how much you hate me, then
I clicked it again.
Yep. So we're gonna wait a second. It should. You'll see it right here. This thing, once it registers that the file changed, it's going to. You're gonna see a light around this box right here. And it when you first do it, I like for me doing this, it took some time. 4 seconds to 60 seconds essentially is what was going on. But it did eventually work.
Okay.
It did. I ain't lying.
Because we got a lot going on, man. So that's, it's expected.
Yeah. It's not that it's a lot going on. It's that your Google Drive is not real time on your computer, you know?
Let's try them with lasers.
Here we go. There we go.
It worked.
For the majority of the time, this is what I do. I do tech related content.
Absolutely.
But like I told DJ Lefave,
you did.
I did.
Tech edutainment
All the time.
I do my best.
My very best.
I do my very best to entertain and inform.
Yes, indeed.
And educate in my own special way. And I'm just getting better at it.
Take a swig. Take a little swig. Stop the show.
You stop the
show.
Stop the show.
It's going again.
Going again.
This is what I do. I do tech.
Another one.
Change
content.
I'm going to change it to
like
shade
I told
now.
DJ Lefave, it's tech edutainment.
Absolutely.
I do my best.
You do.
I do my very best to entertain and inform and educate in my own special way. And I'm just getting better at it.
Oh my God. This is so cool, man.
And this is why
Stop the show.
What we did,
Stop
I
the
don't
show.
think it's something that no one can't do. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Like I don't think that this is something that people couldn't.
You don't
figure
think
out.
it's unbelievable. You don't think it's
Hang on, because I had two things go off at once here. I need to trigger something. Where did I put it?
I'm about to spend like a whole hour and a half on my instance clipping sounds after this stream. Bro, it got everything, man.
I'm telling you, they do.
It got the
They
Zordo. Oh my God. Have you ever heard? You know what the Zordo is? Okay, I'm gonna turn it down. I gotta play it one time. Hold on.
Hang on, I gotta fix this.
Okay, yeah,
this
fix your
crap
thing.
right
Fix
here.
your thing.
What the hell?
Come back to you guys. Yo, shout out to everybody in the chat room, man. I'm glad you guys have been tuning in for this one. This has been an amazing stream with DJ Lefave, man. I mean, we got technical, but we made it technically simple with the DJ Lefave. I mean, just using these simple things can just add a whole new level, like take it to another level. You're streaming and just interacting with the people in your chat room and being more engaging besides just talking to them and reading out their chats and comments in the chat room. I mean, this is amazing. 100% amazing, man. I mean, honestly.
And it's like I said, this is the first instance of it on YouTube or Facebook or onto Twitch without affiliate
Because 4
status.
weeks ago, Nutty asked that question too. Do we have channel points on YouTube?
No, I asked that question.
And he made a video asking that question.
Made a video asking that question, and I told him that we can do it, and I got banned from his Discord server for telling him that I figured it out. So
What?
You know, I tried saying, you know, I posted a video in the developer, or like the mad developer, something about creations Discord channel.
Mafia says, can't
And
wait
wrote,
till I get a computer. This looks fun. This is 100% fun. I'm sorry. Go ahead, DJ Lefave.
Yeah, so I ended up writing in there like, hey, guess what? You know, I know we've been talking about it a lot. I figured out channel points for YouTube. It involves Streamlabs and Touch Portal, and here's a tutorial video for it. And their mods came in and said, no self-promotion, you're banned. I'm like, you know what? I'm leaving. I don't even want to be here.
Yo,
This is something that like I'm an active member of his live streams, and you know, I have fun in there, and it's just
Yo, that's the thing, right? When it comes to like people's communities and their mods, it's like when people become mods in these communities, they get such a hard on by simply doing that simple thing and banning. Matter of fact, you got creators who do this too, right? I got banned from a creator's chat room one time too, right? I get banned. Listen, if you know me, I get blocked all the time on Twitter, right? It's a thing. Like, I get a lot of people block me on Twitter, right? It just happens. Like people get blocked every day. It's all good, right? It is what it is. I got a whole list of people that don't block me. It's the funny shit ever. Anyway, but I got blocked in a creator's chat room, right? Over the craziest shit too. Like I typed something wrong and I tried to type it 2 or 3 times, and the guy was like lost his shit. He 8-timed me out. Right? He says, no spamming in the chat. So you gotta take a time out. So I'm like, bro, what are you talking about? I misspelled it. So then I came back. I'm like, bro, like I ain't never been timed out for misspelling something. I said, it maybe if you took the time to read what was being done in the chat room instead of freaking out, you'd have never timed me out. And guess what happened next? I got banned.
What happened next?
I got banned. I got DJ Lefave. I'm gonna be on this thing for about an hour going through all these sound clips. But anyway, yeah, I got banned. Like I'm just like,
well, I'm a moderator we have an OBS group on Facebook, and I became a moderator when there were 700 members. We're approaching 5,000 now, and we created a very simple rule: don't
spam
offer to people to PM you for advice and help.
Okay.
The reason being, it's a group. People come there to solve their problems.
Yo, hold on 1 second. Lefave, when I send you the link to the clip, it actually pulls up the image of the sound clip in your Twitter. If you check your Twitter DM, you would see what? Bruh, are you serious right now? There's so many.
Look at that.
There's so many. Oh my God, this is crazy. There's so many gems that we done dropped on this stream. What? I'm sorry. Go ahead, DJ Lefave with the OBS group. I'm sorry.
It was at this.
That's crazy.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Yo, that is. I'm shocked. So you was talking about the OBS group, no private DMing, PMing.
Well, no PMing for help, because a lot of people were saying, DM me or PM me and I'll help you. When they do that, they end up saying, "Oh, you need to pay me for services."
Because that as soon as someone say that, they're gonna that Cash App link, that PayPal link, that whatever link gonna drop soon.
And it defeats the purpose of the group. So we recently had somebody in there who was knowledgeable and helpful, but you could also tell that they were trying to make extra money in there. And so he posted a nice little post that told how people had to do a certain thing in OBS. And then his last line at the bottom was, PM me for more OBS advice, tips, and tricks. And I'm like, that's the name of the fucking group. Like, you know, do it here.
Yeah.
So I ended up, I said, you know what? I'm tired of this. So I got rid of him. And then another moderator wrote me last night, and he's like, hey, did you get rid of this guy? He's been really helpful, and you know, I'm just wondering why you got rid of him. I'm like, well, we have a rule that says don't ask people to PM you. And he asked, and he's like, all right, well, but he's really helpful. I'm like, okay. So the guy said, look, I'll keep him in Facebook jail until the weekend. Let him think about it, and then we'll tell him this is your final warning. Do not put that in there. You know. Period.
Yeah, I mean, because there's people breaching the rules of the community, and then there's creators and their mods, and creators by themselves are mods with their mods. Okay, and their mods just going overboard. So, you know, to wrap this up, right? DJ Lefave, you have presented some amazing stuff. Obviously, this is nothing but gems and tools that was dropped on the stream. Another banger for the creator pull-up. That's what I'm naming the series now, the creator pull-up. DJ Lefave, do you got anything closing to drop for me and the people watching, especially for the replay crew, about interactive streaming?
It's fun. Do it because it's fun. Get creative. If you guys follow me on my YouTube, I'm going to drop tips and tricks to give you ideas of things that you can do, you know, stuff like this. I mean, how cool is that?
I love when you end the stream. I love the end the stream one. That's my favorite, man.
And the end of the stream, and that's how I'm gonna bounce out of here.
Listen.
But it's really just to have fun. There we go. It's off. So it's just to have fun. And if you want to, I'm going to give you these tips because we literally live in a world full of creators. And it's up to you to stand out from the crowd. And to do that, you got to be an innovator. CoVa, he's an innovator. It just so happens that CoVa and I are 35 miles away from each other. One of these days, we're going to go hang out.
Absolutely.
Like, you know, we're so close to each other, it's not even funny. But if he was halfway around the world, I would still be, you know, we'd still be joshing around like this.
Absolutely.
But the fact that we have uncorked this for all streaming platforms that are tied to Streamlabs,
this is game changing.
That it is. And I don't know if people understand this enough.
No.
It's here. Something that I want to, before I get off,
okay.
I want to show.
You
show
got
this,
it. You got it.
What was I looking up?
Mafia says when he gets a computer, you're the first person he's looking for.
Thanks, Mafia. YouTube channel points. I was Googling this, right? Which is funny. Well, where is it? The funny thing is that when I search for stuff to try to solve a problem and I find stuff that either I posted or questions that I've asked and they didn't have answers to yet, I found it today. It was from over a year ago, and this is something that I've been searching for high and low because I knew that it was going to be a game changer for me on my YouTube. My live stream is every Monday night around 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then throughout the week whenever I have something I want to show off. But interactive streaming, it keeps people in the chat. It makes it for a very unique stream. Very unique, because you never know what's going to happen or how the creator is going to react to those things that were happening. We only scratched the surface today of what Touch Portal can actually do.
We only scratched the surface, man. Like you gotta when we're done, like hit me that link. Is it on the OBS site for the WebSocket so I can install it? But go ahead, I'm sorry.
Yeah. No, it's on there. Just look up OBS WebSockets.
Okay, got it. I get that.
Up.
Yeah.
And only scratching the surface of what can be done. It's and the Discord community is just growing. So I leave you with all of that. Ova, if you don't mind making me full screen for a moment, I appreciate you and your community and everything you're doing for the tech world.
Oh my God. Tech community CoVa, yes indeed.
Tech community.
I'm a part of
CoVa.
the tech community. I just don't talk about phones, but I'm there with y'all. We there. We just different levels of tech, man.
Different levels of tech. So am I full screen?
You absolutely, man. All it is a word.
All right. So before I go, we'll show off this one.
You need to shut the up.
And he's muted. When he does it on his stream, he's muted. Ladies and gentlemen, that's DJ Lefave, and he's out of here. Oh my God, DJ Lefave is gone. He has left the show on a high note. Woo! DJ Lefave, you ain't have to do it to him like that, man. Peace to DJ Lefave. DJ Lefave, that's the coldest. Wait a minute now. Hold on. Stop the show. How you gonna bounce on me? And I fucked up again, DJ. I was supposed to go live on Twitter, and I always forget to go live on Twitter with the StreamYard. Sorry, Twitter. No one watches it on Twitter anyway. But anyway, how you gonna leave me like that with the coldest outro in the game? That's the coldest way a guest done left the stream in a long time. Ladies and gentlemen, we gotta drop another one. Shout out to the DJ Lefave.
I'm a big YouTuber.
Already. Shout out to DJ Lefave for dropping all of that gem. Listen, I already knew what the situation was. I already knew what the assignment was when I asked DJ Lefave to get on my stream. It was just a definite, right? Like it was just going to happen. We just had to get the timing right. But he was going to come to the stream. And I knew that when DJ Lefave came to the stream, I knew that he was just going to set it all the way fuck off. But I was not expecting all of this. And I'm not even capping. I really wasn't expecting everything that we did. I wasn't expecting him to walk me through Touch Portal tonight. I wasn't expecting all of that. I was not expecting that. I hope you guys appreciated the information. I hope you guys appreciated the knowledge, the technology. You know, DJ Lefave, I'm going to set up my Touch Portal on the back end so I can have it rocking, working with you guys. I am kind of like a genius with things. All you gotta do is show me something one time and I'm gonna figure the rest out. I'm gonna figure that out and I'm add it to the stream so that you guys can engage with me more. Interactive live streaming is the future of live streaming. DJ Lefave, you hit me with the coldest outro in the game. I know you did. But DJ Lefave, I have the coldest stream outro in the game. Ladies and gentlemen, we had a phenomenal one. How phenomenal? Very phenomenal. Ladies and gentlemen, you know when this song drops, it's time to get on up out of here. We call this the coldest outro in the game, and it absolutely is. We had DJ Lefave on the stream talking about interactive live streaming for the masses, Touch Portal, Streamlabs bots. We got really into it. We made it technically simple. It wasn't that hard. It was very, very easy. Muy easy. But until next time, as you know, loosen up in the shoulders, baby. Thank you. Goodbye. Good night.
I'm a big YouTuber.
You